Struggling to upsell in your hosting or store? The setting to show product suggestions in the shopping bag is hidden. It's one of those features that sounds like it should be obvious, but it's tucked away in a place you'd never think to look. And here's the problem. If you can't find it, you're leaving money on the table every single time someone checks out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where that setting lives, and you'll have it turned on in under a minute. Let's get into it. We're going to navigate to the shopping bag settings and enable that suggestions toggle in just a few clicks. It's straightforward once you know the path. So let's start. First, open your site in the hosting or builder. This is where you do all your design and layout work. If you're not already there, just log into your hosting or account, find your website, and launch the builder. You'll be looking at your main editing interface. Once you're in, we need to find the shopping cart icon. Now this might sound basic, but it's easy to overlook when you're focused on other things. Look for the little shopping cart icon in the editor. It's usually on the page itself, representing the cart or bag your customers will see. Go ahead and click on that icon. Now once you've selected the shopping cart, you'll notice a settings gear icon appear. This is your key to everything. Click that settings gear. This opens up a panel full of options specifically for how your cart behaves. And this is where the magic happens. From that settings menu, you want to choose the option that says checkout. Not the general cart settings, not appearance, specifically checkout. This is the section that controls what happens right when someone is about to pay. It's a really important screen to customize because it's your last chance to influence what goes into the order. Scroll down a bit in that checkout menu and you'll see something labeled shopping bag settings. Click on that. Now we're getting close. This submenu has a few different toggles and options, but the one we care about is called highlight. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on your version, but look for the toggle that controls showing additional product suggestions in the bag. And here's the really important part. Just flip that toggle to the on position. That's it. You've just unlocked the ability to show customers other products they might want to add before they complete their purchase. I've been through this exact process in the hosting or builder myself, and I can tell you, that toggle is easy to miss if you don't know it's there. But now that you've got it turned on, your customers will start seeing suggestions right inside their shopping bag. It's a small change that can make a surprisingly big difference in your average order value. So give it a try, test it out on your own site, and watch those little extras start adding up. Thanks for sticking with me and happy selling.